Guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete content on Google Photos but still keep it on your device. Let's get started. So first of all, let's go into our Google Photos app, and from here we want to open it, and if you delete anything right here, it would also be automatically be deleted on your device. So to avoid that, we can go into our browser and open photos.google.com right here. And from here, when you choose anything, may it be a video or a photo, let's just choose randomly. So I'm gonna choose this one right here. I want to delete this one. So when I delete this right here from this trash can icon, I want to click this and move to trash, just like that. And as you can see, it has now been moved to trash, and now it has been deleted. So if you want to delete it fully, then you have to go to trash right here. When you go here in the three horizontal bars, from here you can see the trash icon right here, and as you can see here, it is in the trash right here. So you want to delete this again right here so that it will be permanently deleted, just like this one, and the trash icon right here, delete. And just like that, it has been deleted from your Google Photos but not on your device, because simply the photos.google.com here in your browser is not connected directly to your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.